actually don't know what's gonna happen in the happiest place on earth today, but we have a Disney employee with us, which is a good friend, and there's 8 of us, and we're gonna just go throughout today and give you tips and tricks how to enjoy Disneyland in a day. Instead of going there, go to the last one and you'll see this guy. No, it's just faster.
Modern problems require modern solutions.
The best time to do the rides is early in the morning, and then do your photo shoots in the afternoon, because you don't want to waste your time being here early for less crowd. Our first ride will be the Big Thunder Railroad. We've been in this queue for a while, so while being in this queue, it's good to go to your app and order food and choose the time frame to pick it up. We order wraps and coffee because we're getting hungry right now. Okay, that was an exhilarating first ride. I highly suggest to take it first. It's not that scary at all, but there were some dips there that will make you... We just entered the Star Wars realm, and this is amazing.
Have you found the Resistance spy?
Walking with the troopers right now.
We will find out what they know, sir.
Hi. No, you don't think that's true? I highly suggest getting the Disney app if you're coming here to Disneyland, because you can pre-order and that's really helpful. And you can actually book ahead your ride if you have that Genie Plus in your app. Julia, what is this ride?
This is Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run, and it's where there's the ship, the Millennium Falcon, and so we get to be driving the ship. We get to be pilots. So 2 of us will be pilots, 2 of us will be engineers. 2 pilots, 2 gunners. It'll look like we're in it.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Take off, my pilot.
Right now I'm going through the market. Isn't it cool? I actually tell you that they're ready, and now I'm looking for a window 1. If you get a chance, order this one because it's really good. But later I wish we have like a proper dinner, like a sit down one. And this is the kids menu. Traveler. I'm a traveler.
Should I do sour or spicy?
Oh, spicy sounds fun.
Nope.
Oh.
That is funny.
What is this drink?
Can I try some of yours?
This is a spicy one. That literally tastes like ear, when you get an ear infection and you need the antibiotics. Yeah, we got it.
Yeah, yell that over at the line over there.
This is Fantasyland right now. Oh, what's the fantasy here?
It has all the little kid kind of story, fantasy kind of stuff. Yeah. They're in the big carousels here. And that's like a main attraction.
I love how everyone's wearing the ears.
Yeah.
Including you. So only in the month of May that they make the Space Mountain Hyperspace Mountain. It's Hyperspace Mountain because like it's an inner roller coaster with a Star Wars feel. And we're gonna ride this train to go to another park. Have a 1-hour break before our lightning lane, so we have to pick a ride or something to do, which we're doing right now. This is the Haunted Mansion. We thought the thing is gonna be scary, but actually it's such a chill ride if you want to go just chill, relax. So Haunted Mansion is the ride to have. If you want free water, you can actually get a water cup for free right here by the stores. Smart water is $9, by the way. In this building, it's $15,000 to to eat here. It's also possible that the app will change your schedule, so look at your app frequently. It's around 3 to 4 p.m. right now, so it's very hot. We just had several food and it's good to sit down around this time because it's pretty hot. We just left the Disneyland and now we're doing the Disney California Adventure. So to get in, we need this one. So this part is actually a tribute to California, so you will see different spots here as a tribute. Our next ride is the Soarin. Great ride. It's very relaxing for the feet and you get to travel all over the world. We have just entered the Avengers campus.
And presto, the doors open for you.
Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control.
There's the chair right here. I don't know where to sit. Do I sit? Seatbelt is on. Hi. Okay, all the way down.
All the way down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Okay.
All right.
I'm so small, guys.
Glasses on.
Actually, big problems.
Okay, this one is a good arm workout. We're just like throwing a lot of webs out there. I just got a mini sandwich. Let's try this one. Let's try this. Kiddie meal, but it's enough for me. It's kind of dry, but it's so good. The best time to take your photo with the castle is during the golden hour. Our friend just arrived and she's in a wheelchair and now we're like priority lane all of a sudden. We're doing the Matterhorn right now. Oh my god! Ah! That was rough. Chiropractor work right here. I was going to the chiropractor. Well, we did it. Yeah! Our next stop is the small world. It's a small world after all. It looks very cute right there. It looks like, oh my god, those are so cool. Oh my god! That's so cute. At night, the small world turns into a full show of We Don't Talk About Bruno. Just like Encanto. Every day there's a parade ongoing at 8:45 and 10:45. So this is the crowd for 8:45. It's kind of packed, as you could see. So we're better off doing it at 10:45. Instead, we're watching the fountain show.
Listen to me. The human world, it's a mess. Life under the sea is better than anything they got up there.
Near that fountain, you'll have cars, and that's our next ride.
Champion needs speed and style. Luigi, give our friend your best.
Ooh, the doors are Disney California Adventure closes at 10, so we must move back to Disneyland.
Because they have so long.
I'm by myself on this ride. I couldn't do Splash Mountain. I'm so tired. Of course, at night you'll expect that there's less queue, and that's the best time to go and enjoy. Too bad the Star Wars that we want to go to close at 9 p.m. Saying goodbye to Disneyland right now. So that's it. That's 14 hours here in Disneyland, and that's how you make your day worth it here at the happiest place on earth. If you have questions, suggestions, and comments, I would be thrilled to read them. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and off I go.